While you're up in the attic, there's suddenly a short circuit in the cellar, resulting in a smouldering fire producing smoke. The Busch smoke detectors immediately sound the alarm, both acoustically and visually via an LED lamp. Radio networking lets you hear the alarm all over the house. The new Busch Smoke Alarm detector also functions independently of the mains and is ideal for early detection indoors. For the kitchen area, BUSCH-JAEGER has developed a special signaling device, the heat detector. Wherever a stove, oven, coffee machine or toaster could cause damage by overheating, it makes sense to install an alarm which kicks in above a certain temperature. You have time to react before there's a build-up of smoke. What if you're not around when the alarm goes off? BUSCH-JAEGER has thought of that as well and relays the alarm via the Comfort Touch to your mobile phone. It's certainly comforting to know that your home is in safe hands.